Hello, my dear student. Today I am discuss about the mathematics subject of class 5. The topic is large numbers. Large number in this chapter we will able to read and write large numbers. Second point, differentiate between the Indian place value system and the international place value system. Third is use the concept of face value, place value and the expanded form. Second topic, find the successor and the predecessor of the given numbers. Next is compare and order large numbers. And the next, form the smallest and the greatest numbers using the given digits. The second last, understand the concept of rounding of the numbers. At last, we will discuss about in this chapter, read and write Roman numerals. My dear students, here large numbers, some examples like 9, 99, 999. So we read it as 9,99,999 is the greatest 6-digit number. If we add 1 to the greatest 6-digit number, we get the smallest 7-digit number, that is 10 lakh. The greatest 7-digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. Most important thing is that to represent large number there are two place value system to represent the large number system, like Indian place value system and the international place value system. The Indian place value system used in India is known as Indian place value system, in which the first 9 places are grouped into 4 periods, like ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. The ones period is divided into 3 places: ones, tens, and hundreds, and the remaining periods are divided into 2 places. So, in ones period, ones, tens, hundred, the remaining is 2 places: thousand, 10,000 in lakhs period, lakhs and 10 lakhs, crore period in crores and 10 crores. The same thing is international place value system. International place value system. The place value system used worldwide is known as the international place value system. In the international numeration system, every period has 3 places, in which the first 9 places are grouped into 3 periods, like ones, thousands, and millions. In international place value chart, we draw the different numbers. So in international, one in ones period, 3 places: ones, tens, hundred; in thousands period, thousand, 10,000, and 100,000. Whereas in millions period, million, 10 million, and 100 million. So here some examples like 685, 942, 315. We read it as 685,942,315. So note, while writing a number as for the Indian place value system and international place value system, separate the periods with commas. In Indian place value system, the first ones period is separated with the number of 3, and the all remaining two digit. In international, all places are grouped into 3 periods, so separated the commas in 3 column. Next is face value and place value system. Face value system and place value system. The face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. Suppose that if you find the face value of 25 lakh 3,841. The face value of 2 is 2, face value of 5 is 5, face value of 0 is 0, face value of 3 is 3, face value of 8 is 8, face value of 4 is 4. There is lots. Face value of 1 is 1. It means face value of digit in a number is the digit itself. The place value of a digit is the product of the digit and the value of the place it occupies. Here find the place value of all digits in 84,98,726. So place value of 6 is 6 because 6 represent at ones place. Place value of 2 is 20 because 2 represent at tens place. Place value of 7 is 100 because 700 because 7 represent at 100 place, that so on. The some important formula about the place value of a digit equal to place face value of the digit multiply place which the digit occurs in the place value chart. Expanded form expressing a number as the sum of the place value of all its digits is called expanded form. Expressing a number as the sum of the place value of all its digit is called expanded form. Here some examples. Find the expanded form of 93,11,075 in its expanded form place value of all its digit. Then sum. So place value of 5 is 5 because 5 represent at ones place. 7 is 10 70 because 7 represent at tens place. 0 is 100 0 then represent at 100 place. 1 is 1000 then represent at 1000 place. 1 is 10,000 it means 10,000. 3 represent at lakh place then 3 lakh. At last 9 represent at 10 lakhs, so 90 lakhs. So this is the sum of this number is called expanded form. Successor and predecessor. Successor, the number that comes just after a given number, is called its successor. The number that comes just after a given number is called its successor, whereas the number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. If you find the successor of a given number, add 1 to it. This is the simple formula. If you find the successor, then add 1 of this number. Here some example. 2 crore 15 lakh 81,709. Then add 1 of this number, then result is 2 crore 15 lakh 81,710. The same thing, if you find the predecessor of a number, subtract 1 of it. It means predecessor means subtract 1 and successor means add 1. Then here some examples. 8 crore 14 lakh 56,985. Then the number is subtract 1, then 8 crore 14 lakh 56,984. Comparing and ordering numbers. Comparing and ordering of numbers. Dear student, when you compare and order numbers, you use the terms less than, greater than, and equal to. When you compare and order number, you use the terms like less than symbol, greater than symbol, and equal to. To compare numbers, first look at the number of the digits in each number, then compare the place values of numbers with the same amount the digits. Here compare the numbers of digits in two numbers. The number with more number of digits is greater than the number with less number of digits. Here some examples. 94 lakh 81,762 have 7 digit, while 3 lakh 66,245 6 digits. So 7 digit is greater than 6 digit. The second point is, if the two numbers have equal number of digits, write them one above the other. Compare the digits at each place in the two numbers starting from the extreme left. Stop, then you come across different digits at the same place. The number with the greater digit at the place is greater than the order number. Let us compare 32 lakh crore 11 lakh 24,880 and 32 crore 11 lakh 24,442. Here arrange the number in place value chart. Whereas in crores 10 crores period 3 is same, crores period 2 is same. In 10 lakhs period 1 is same. Lakhs period is 1 is same. In thousands period, 10,000 period is 2 is same, and thousand is also 4 same. Like at last 8 4 is different because 100 place here is 8 and 4, so this is the difference. So hence, since we can say that 8 is greater than 4, it means upper number is greater than lower number. So this is the comparing and ordering of numbers. Ascending and descending order. Arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the greatest number is called the ascending order. Arrangements of numbers from the smallest to the greatest number is called the ascending order, and arrangements of number from the greatest to the smallest number is called the descending order. Forming numbers, the smallest and the greatest number can be found by arranging the given digits in ascending and descending order respectively. Forming numbers, the smallest and the greatest number can be found by arranging the given digits in ascending and descending numbers. Form the greatest and the smallest number using the digits 0, 8, 4, 6, 3 and 5 only once. The greatest number, arrange the digits in descending order. Here the greatest number is 8 and the smallest number is 0. Then arrange the number. Thus the greatest number formed is 8,65,430. It means 865,430. And the smallest number, arrange the digits in ascending order. Here very smallest number is 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Thus the smallest number formed is 304,568. Here we cannot place 0 at the extreme left. Interchange it with the digits on its immediate right, so we get 3,04,568. At last, second last is rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers. Rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. Rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. The result is less accurate but easier to use. The numbers such as 10, 100, 1000 and their multiples are easy to remember. When a number is rounded off to a lower number, we say that it is rounded down. Round off 23 to the nearest tens. So 23 lies between 20 and 30. 20 and 30. So clearly 23 is closer to 20. And second point, when a number is rounded off to a higher number, we say that it is rounded up. Round off 68 to the nearest tens. 68 lies between 60 and 70. So clearly 68 is closer to 70. At last, we discuss about in this chapter Roman numerals. So the Roman numeral system was used in ancient Rome. It has 7 basic symbols like I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Different combinations of these symbols are used to represent numbers. I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. Some rules for writing Roman numerals. Only I, X, C and M can be repeated. Second is, a symbol can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 number of times. Third is, I can be subtracted from V and X only, whereas X can be subtracted from L and C only. At last, C can be subtracted from D and 1 for M only. Some examples: 6, if you write the Roman numerals of 6, then 6 means 5 plus 1. Then V for 5 and I for 1. Here in right side replace the value. If you add the number, then write the number I in right position. So value is 6. Thank you.